Let's expand the notes that you have under your left hand and introduce a new position. You know these notes already. D, E, F sharp, G, and A. Let's add the fourth finger on the G string, which is a B. Play this with me. We'll play quarter notes together. 2, 3, 4. Good. Those are the notes we're going to use for Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So grab your bow and let's play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star together. I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now those notes can also be played in third position on the bass, and I'll introduce that to you, and we can play that tune again in third position. To find third position, take the thumb of your left hand and slide it all the way down into the L of the neck, like this. Once the thumb is in the L of the neck, take your first finger and place it directly on top of where the thumb is. This should be a D natural and should match your open D string. The notes you have under your hand in this position, starting on the A string, are E, F sharp with the fourth finger, A on the D string with the first finger, B with the fourth finger, D, again, like we just played on the G string, and E with the fourth finger. Let's play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star using only open strings and the notes that you have in third position together. We'll go just a little slower so you can get it. Here we go, from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. That's Twinkle Twinkle in third position. If you find yourself having to move forward a little bit to get into third position, make sure that you think about moving your hips backwards and keeping your back straight so that the neck of the instrument comes to your shoulder rather than hunching over the bass, like this. See how my back stays straight and the bass comes towards me. Perfect. This is correct playing position in third position and how we play Twinkle Twinkle.